Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man coming back at you with another video. Now I know you have heard about this amazing new app called Clubhouse, by which you can only join by invitation. So let's check it out.
Get strong.
What is Clubhouse? We can start by defining Clubhouse by saying what it is not. It is not Twitter for those who like to tweet. It's not Facebook for those who like to share their lives like a movie. It's not TikTok designed to give you 15 minutes of fame. It's not WhatsApp letting you communicate in secret, all of which are designed to capture your eyeballs. Clubhouse is a drop-in audio chat social networking platform like nothing we've ever seen before. You can talk to anyone about anything at any time, totally for free. You can create your own room, be the boss. It's like a voice chat on steroids. I call it vatting, like voice chatting. Unlike other social media platforms, it is designed to capture your ears with universal personal experiences. So how does it work? You have three main sets of characters. You have the moderator. He's the boss. He sets up the room. He has the ability to silence all noise or noise talkers by silencing their microphones or kicking them out. Then you have the speaker or speakers, whom the moderator invites to the stage to speak. They're like VIPs ready to share nuggets of wisdom with the third characters, the audience, who can ask questions or speak by joining the stage while raising their digital hand. The application is in the beta format, which means that it's not ready for prime time in all platforms yet. So for now, you can only join Clubhouse by invite, and you can only use your iPhone or iPad or iOS-based platforms. So someone sends you an invite. When you receive the invite, you go to the App Store and you download the app. Then you sign up by using your name and email address. After you've registered, the first thing you need to do is to create your bio. You start by adding your picture that makes you look like a boss. Then add your accomplishments, your skills. It's okay to pump it up. Then you want to add any social media networks you are on. Next, you need to select some rooms of interest. Now, this is very important because this is how the algorithm, the boss of YouTube, chooses what topics or people to send you to based on your interests, from identity to languages and anything in between. Then next you need to follow some people, but be very careful and selective. Because if you set up your notifications and those whom you follow, if they are chatterboxes, it will drive you crazy. They do recommend you follow 25 people. May one of them be me, Bertrand Techman. How to use the app. Start by going to the hallway of the Clubhouse. In the hallway, this is where you decide which room you want to join. In the top left-hand corner, you see a magnifying glass. This is the search tool. When you click on it, it will take you to the Explore page where it has three features: a search bar to find specific people or clubs, a section of suggested people to follow based on your interests, and a conversation search. Next, you have what looks like a letter. It's called the invite icon. When you tap on it, it shows you how many invites you have and whom you might want to invite based on your contact list. Next, you have the notification icon. When you tap on this, it shows you what future events that are coming based on who or what club you follow. Next, you have your profile picture. When you tap on it, it will show you your bio page, showing you your followers and whom you follow along with the bio. In the top left-hand corner, you see your settings. Now, when you tap on it, you see 4 settings. The notification. When tapped, you can choose what intensity you want to be notified by. I choose infrequent. Trust me on this one. Next, you have your interests. When you tap on this, it shows you all of your interests and they will be highlighted in blue. You can choose others if you like. Then you have the What's New section with current info about updates, guidelines, and legal stuff. At the bottom, it gives you an easy way to connect to Instagram or Twitter. Back to the hallway. At the bottom of the screen, you see the Start a Room button. Always ever present temptation. Start a room. Please, please, please start a room. And when you tap the Start a Room at the top, you'll see the plus Add a Topic button. You can add any topic up to 60 characters. Add your topic, then hit Set Topic. Next, you need to decide what type of room you want it to be. You have 3 choices. Open, which means that it is open to anyone. Social, it is open to anyone in your social network that you follow. And the third one is closed, meaning that it's private and only those you choose to let in can join. So how can you participate while you're in the room? First, if you want to leave the room, hit the peace out symbol. Hey, I'm out of here. Y'all talking crazy. To leave quietly. If you want to participate, you hit the raise hand. Hit the plus sign to ping someone to join your room. To mute your microphone or unmute, just simply tap the microphone. Or you can set up a new event. To set up a new event, you touch on the calendar and it will show you the upcoming events for you in the last hour. To schedule an event, touch the calendar again. Then add the event name, add a co-host, which is always good to have a backup in case something happens to you, the date and time, the host club if you have one, and the description. Then hit publish. After you have created the room, you'll notice that a green dot or star is by your name, indicating that you are the moderator. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see the ellipses. Once you click on the ellipses, then some options will pop up. You could let visitors in, you could search the room, you could end, or you could cancel. Now you have some other options as well. You could leave quietly, or you could hit the raise hand. And what that does is that gives you the ability to open it up to everyone so that they could raise their hand. And next to it, you have the plus sign. And when you click on the plus sign, that gives you the option to ping someone into the room, or you could share if you would like. And then, of course, you have the microphone. If you touch that, then it mutes your microphone. Now, if you wanted to make someone else a moderator or co-host, you would just click on their picture, and then some options would come up. Their bio, you will see their bio, and then you could view their profile, or you could make them a moderator, or you could move them to the audience. So these are all the options that you have as a moderator. All right, so this has been a review of the Clubhouse app. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, and ring the bell. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, and I'll see you in my next video.
Get strong.